Dedicate your life, plan it out. You can go as far as you can dream. Edges laid, curls popping. She's a doctor of pharmacy.
Be for you and me. I done shared things with your girl about my past that I never tell to anyone else.
Teach me how to love, how I can get my emotions involved.
Y'all, we going to the concert tonight. So I'm getting my vocals ready for the concert. I am holding my camera, y'all. I told you I need to get a little vlog thing, but it is Saturday. Welcome to another vlog. I am actually on my way to brunch. So going to brunch and then I'll be going back home to pretty much just chill out and prep for later on tonight. So the weather is kind of gloomy. And today is also a maintenance day for me. Like I need to do my nails. I got to do a pedicure, do my wax. I'll show y'all, like I show y'all on my stories on Instagram, the wax, but I've never shown y'all the process, and I've had some questions about it because I do my wax now. I don't know how much I'm gonna do today, but I definitely do my underarms and like my upper lip, and what else? Underarms and upper lip are like my main. I might do my stomach strip. I don't know about what else we gonna do, but anyways, I'll show y'all. Like I just bought the wax kit from Amazon, but it's been fairly easy. Like I used to go to European Wax Center faithfully for like all of my services. Then I was like, why am I paying somebody to do my underarms when I can do my own underarms? So I ended up testing it out, and it's been a bop ever since. So yeah, I will check in with y'all. I might show y'all brunch. I'm going with some people that I'm meeting one of them for the first time, and the other one I used to work with. But I don't like, y'all know I don't like to take my camera around people who, I don't know, who aren't really like into vlogging and stuff, because yeah, it's just too much. So anywho, I will show y'all what I can and check in with y'all a little bit later.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Job for too long. We just tryna pass this time. Ain't nothing wrong. Yeah, I ain't living to pay no bills, but I pay these bills so I can live. Now ain't that a shame? Yeah, can't get in my view. Life don't stop for no one. We are the same. To be real with, you gotta be perfect. All that matters is that I found love in you. Yeah, I'm so ready for tonight. So this little pack is real good. It comes already in a pack like this with all the frozen stuff. This one has bananas, mango, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and kiwi. And once I put this into my base and mix it up, it's literally everything that I need for my smoothie. I do have some actual bananas too that I'm gonna add, and then I put flaxseed, honey. I'm gonna show y'all all the ingredients. Y'all, it is 6 something and I'm late, y'all. I gotta leave, but I just did my press-ons. I'm leaning down like this because I don't even have y'all on my tripod. Y'all are just kind of just chilling up, but this is the look. I did my braid out. Ignore this is my Goodwill stuff in the back, y'all. I need to go to Goodwill, but just wanted to hop on and show y'all.
I let it go. We can work it out if you...
Shoes. I think I'm gonna wear these shoes. I'm waiting on my friend to come out so I can give y'all a full body.
Right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl.
The shirt, I feel like I could tie however I want. And then these pants are a little big, but it's fine. So yeah. And so we had to pick up one more person and then we will be on our way. Alright, y'all, we about to go into the concert.
I'm so sorry. Look at this walk we about to take.
Y'all,
You know, it's crazy.
I can't even show y'all where the thing is. It's way back there. Ooh, and it's cold, so we're gonna head out. Y'all, the aunties is out here. That's all I'm saying. And they got their heels on, child. Hold on. Hold on.
I'm talking about a true friendship. Say what? Say what?
Never mind, y'all not listening.
Come on.
Y'all only listen to R&B. They told me I wasn't pretty enough or good enough to be in this business. And I'm still here, 20 years later. Being black and curvy. Hallelujah. That goes to show you, you just keep on moving forward. Listen. Listen. Life can bring us through many changes. It's alright. Just don't give up, know that it's gonna be alright. People come and they go. Some of them y'all got to let their ass go. That's just what it is. That's just the way.
You better sing.
It's alright. Thank you for giving me another day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for reminding me it's bigger than me. It's not about vanity. It's about doing good work.
Talk about it.
Giving good thoughts, good energy.
Talk about it.
Thank you for love.
Come on.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. We're not doing this tonight. Come on now, this is the R&B show. Church in a juke joint coming out. Thank you for a beautiful night, Charlotte. I love you. All the way to the top. I'll see you guys again. My name is Ladisi Namalisi. God bless you.
No matter what I tell myself, God, I never love anyone else in my roots.
Hey y'all, so I feel like it's been some days. The last time I checked in with y'all was at the show. It was a good time, okay? I'll talk a little bit more about that later, but I wanted to show y'all how I wax my underarms at home. Real quick, I wanted to show y'all, now don't judge, because I know y'all already saw a little sneak peek. It's a way overdue, but I was like, I gotta wait so that I can show y'all, and I didn't have time to film, so here we are. This powder is the Arm & Hammer body powder. It's talc free, so it's not like the Johnson & Johnson as far as like the toxins and stuff. And this, yeah, this is that girl. Like, it definitely keeps you dry, so you want to go ahead and put that on the area so that the wax can stick to it nice and hard. I do have this numb cream. I think it's in my bedroom actually, but it's supposed to be like a numb cream to help, of course, with pain. But I haven't used it yet, and I'm not planning to use it on my underarms.
My God, my God.
I've never gone this long and done it myself. But these are some long pieces, child. Next time I do this, I'm not waiting on y'all because y'all the reason why it hurt this bad. You can also use a cotton pad to really make sure you get all up and through with your powder. Don't be afraid to be heavy with the powder, especially when you have a talc-free powder. Take your deep breaths. When I breathe out is when I pull. Didn't pull, it broke. Here we go. But we gotta keep going, y'all.
Gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. Gotta keep going.
See how that flap came up and there's no hair right here. So that was not painful at all. Here we go. I'm gonna pow that thing up. Why am I so silly, y'all? I'm laughing, but for real, I'm over here crying.
Damn, that thing is stuck, child. Hold on.
Oh my God. Hallelujah.
Trying to be loyal to the gang, and here we are. Like, I'm never waiting this long, ever. My popsicles, and then my pre-wax and after-wax powder, and this is the wax in here. You just put it in the burner and let it heat up, and then once you're done, it comes with the lid that you can put on top. So I will link it below for y'all if y'all are interested. And I hope y'all were back there cheering me on, child, because this was a struggle. All right, so this is the whole month. The checks are videos that have already gone up. So I posted a lot this month. Like, what is that? 3, 6, 6. The F's are just like filming days. But I posted 6 videos, and the 7th one is the one that y'all are seeing right now. So I'm patting myself on the back because I gave y'all 2 videos. I mean, 2 weeks of double videos with these 2. And then I gave y'all literally a video every Sunday. That one was a little late, but yeah, we celebrate all victories. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my calendar so that y'all could see kind of what my progress was. Hey y'all, I realized I did not close out the vlog. So first things first, we cannot end the vlog without addressing the elephant in the room. Y'all, that waxing session, I honestly don't know what happened. Like, my waxes are usually not that painful. Like, I know y'all probably canceled it a long time ago. Like, girl, we were never doing that ourselves after seeing you struggle. But I promise it's not that bad. And I'll link below 2 things. One I've used before that will help numb the area. And then definitely taking like an ibuprofen, Aleve, Motrin, like 30 minutes to an hour before the session also helps as well. But I mean, I've done this before. That wasn't my very first time, but it was my first time like waiting that long. So I think that played a huge role into why it was so painful. But anywho, I'm about to be productive and get my May scheduled, like figure out what videos I want to put out for May. If you have any ideas or videos that you want to see, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great night, day, whatever time you're watching this, and I'll see y'all on my next one.
Now, the reason why y'all probably can't see it here, I'm looking on the side, yes y'all can, right here. This is why we're not filming today. Like, what is this?